Outgrow is a powerful tool for e-commerce lead generation, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use it to boost your business. If you're looking to increase conversions, gather qualified leads, and engage your audience in a meaningful way, then this is the video you need to watch. And by the way, stick around till the end, because I've got an exclusive deal for you to try. Outgrow for free with some additional bonuses. Outgrow works by helping you create interactive content like quizzes, surveys, assessments, and calculators. These engaging tools aren't just fun to fill out, they collect valuable information about your potential customers. Whether you're in retail, services, or any other e-commerce sector, you can personalize the experience for each visitor and push them down your sales funnel. For example, imagine you run a skincare e-commerce store. You could create a quiz that asks visitors about their skin type, concerns, and goals. Based on their responses, you can recommend personalized products from your store. Not only does this add value to the customer experience, but it also gathers key data that helps you build more targeted marketing strategies. Now here's the best part. Outgrow makes it super simple to create these interactive tools without any coding skills. The platform has a user-friendly interface with drag-and-drop features, templates, and pre-built content, so you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Another key feature of Outgrow for e-commerce lead generation is its ability to integrate with your existing tools. Whether you're using platforms like Shopify, MailChimp, or HubSpot, Outgrow seamlessly connects to them, ensuring that the leads you collect are automatically funneled into your CRM or email marketing system. This integration saves you time, improves your workflow, and makes your lead generation efforts far more efficient. But how does it work for lead nurturing? Well, with Outgrow, you can not only collect leads, but you can also segment them. When someone takes your quiz or survey, you get detailed insights into their preferences and behavior. This allows you to tailor follow-up emails, offers, and even targeted ad campaigns based on their specific responses. Outgrow also gives you the ability to track your results in real time. You can monitor which pieces of content are driving the most conversions, see which quizzes or calculators are getting the most engagement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your lead generation strategy. Another great aspect of Outgrow is the ability to A/B test your content. Whether you're testing different quiz questions, product recommendations, or landing pages, you can easily compare versions and find the best performing option. This iterative approach means you can continuously improve your e-commerce lead generation over time. And of course, let's talk about the value of personalized experiences. Personalized recommendations are a powerful tool for improving customer loyalty and boosting sales. By collecting data through Outgrow's interactive content, you can better understand your customers and provide them with exactly what they're looking for. This increases the likelihood of conversions and ultimately sales. Before we wrap up, I just want to remind you that Outgrow isn't just a tool for capturing leads. It's about building relationships. The more personalized and engaging your content, the stronger your relationship with your audience becomes, which leads to long-term customer retention and better sales. To make it easier for you to get started, I've got an exclusive offer for you. You can try Outgrow completely for free by clicking the first link in the description below. This is an extended trial, so you can dive in and see the full potential of the software. Don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your e-commerce lead generation efforts with Outgrow today. Thanks for watching.